If you love to build PCs, picking one of the best PC cases for your next build is kind of a big deal. It's the part of your PC people actually see, so you want it to reflect who you are and what you're capable of as a tinkerer. But with so many choices out there, it is not always easy to figure out which one is the best for you. In this video, we're breaking down the best 3 PC cases on the market this year based on price, features, style, and situations they will be used in. We'll be taking a look at products in every price range, so whether you're a beginner putting together your first build or a seasoned modder, we'll have an option for you. So if you're interested in finding out which PC case will be the best for you, stay tuned. As always, all the links to find the best prices on all the products mentioned in this video will be in the description below. So for the most up-to-date information along with updated prices, be sure to check out the description. The products mentioned in this video are in no exact order, so be sure to stay tuned till the end so you don't miss anything. First, we have the NZXT H510i, our choice for the best budget PC case and great for beginners. You don't have to spend a lot of money for a decent PC case. The NZXT H510i is a very popular PC case that is well designed and easy to build with. Priced under $100, it is perfect for those on a budget and also a great case for those looking to build their first machine. NZXT's design is top-notch, and with the H510i, you get a fully decked out modern PC case at a very easy on-the-wallet price point. The key visual feature is the shroud that hides the power supply. This puts all of the focus on the more exciting components. The PSU shroud almost acts like a pedestal for the tempered glass to sit on. That glass then sits like a frame on a monolith, looking in as the RGB lighting dances around your GPU and CPU. Another big reason that the NZXT is so popular is its built-in cable lanes, guides, and Velcro straps. It's so easy to keep your build looking clean and organized that you'll just find yourself doing it automatically. The H510i also has simple drive trays that connect to its internal grating or just inside its reverse side panel. All of this makes it easy to build with and a top case choice for someone building their first PC. The single worst thing about the NZXT H-series PC cases is that they are so popular and you may not stand out in the crowd. But on the flip side, there's a good reason why they are so popular. If you want something simple, reliable, and attractive, the NZXT's H510i is going to deliver all of that. It stands as one of the top PC cases for those looking for the best bang for the buck value, as well as someone building their first PC. Next up, we have the Corsair OBSIDIAN 500D SE, our pick for the best overall PC case. Priced just under $250, the Corsair 500D SE takes a lot of known good concepts and merges them into a single enclosure, making it one of the best all-rounder cases on the market. The Corsair 500D SE does a good job of balancing looks with practicality. It's a sleek case that doesn't sacrifice airflow to achieve its clean looks, and its overall build quality is high, as you would expect for an Obsidian series chassis. All 2.5-inch and 3.5-inch storage slots are found behind the motherboard tray and accommodates 2 3.5-inch drives as well as 3 2.5-inch drives. Then finally around the back there's 7 expansion slots, a PSU in the bottom of course, and a rear mounting point for a 120mm fan. When it comes to clearance, the 500D will support GPUs as long as 370mm and CPU coolers standing 170mm tall, and PSUs that stretch 225mm long. You'll be hard-pressed to find something that doesn't fit in this generously sized mid-tower. And when it comes to cable management, the 500D SE looks after you well, with a removable cable routing cover which makes it possible to create a build that looks clean from all angles. An added bonus, there are large removable dust filters in the top and front of the case which are held by magnets and are easy to remove in seconds without any tools. In a nutshell, the Corsair 500D SE is a well-built case that's second to none in terms of design and build quality. The 500D SE is a top choice for those seeking a solid case that offers a good balance between price, beauty, design, and build quality. Finally, next is the Be Quiet Dark Base Pro 900 V2, our pick for the best PC case for modders. Originally known for its silent power supplies and fans, Be Quiet entered the case market with a big splash. For less than $300, the Be Quiet Dark Base Pro 900 V2 is a premium case that is a favorite amongst modders and enthusiasts alike. True to its name, with the help of padded noise dampeners, the Be Quiet Dark Base Pro 900 V2 is, as you guessed it, silent. The Pro 900 comes in 3 color options: orange, silver, or all black, and is large enough to support the biggest motherboards and radiators up to 420mm in size. The case also features total modularity with options for an inverted motherboard layout and even some nifty features like wireless QI charging and pre-installed LED lighting. There's decent space for routing cables behind the motherboard tray, although it could be a notch better. 8 expansion slots allow for 2 or more graphics cards. The Be Quiet supplies multiple HDD trays, and at the backside of the motherboard tray, there's another SDD tray as well. The trays and bays can obviously be installed as a part of a modability system. This is a key feature of this chassis for those who like to tinker. For the money, you get a lot of chassis and extras including advanced fan and RGB controller, RGB LED strips, and the QI charger at the top side, and overall features that belong in the high-end segment that all add value. Even when pushed to the limit, the Be Quiet Dark Base Pro 900 V2 remains quiet as a mouse. A case this expensive isn't meant to appeal to the value conscious. It's made for those who know what they want and are willing to pay to get it, and for that, the Pro 900 just needs to be the best at what it does, and it is. Alright guys, that's all for now. If you enjoyed this video, please go ahead and leave a like. If you're new to the channel and you like the video, consider subscribing. We do our best to keep you up to date with the best products on the market right now, so if you want to stay current regarding the best gear, make sure to hit that subscribe button. Be sure to check out the description for links to find the most up-to-date pricing on all the products mentioned in this video. Hope you all have a great day, and we'll see you back here soon for the next